Chicken or salmon? Oh, she had the nerve. Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Harvest dinner from my backyard garden. Chicken or salmon? Decisions, decisions, decisions. Am I feeling chickeny? Am I feeling salmony tonight? Either way, we need some veggies, so let's go find some. Oh, we got lots of spring onions. Let's see if any okra's ready. Oh, she had the nerve. She had the nerve. Oh, I don't know. Not so young and tender the way I like it, but we'll take it. Ooh, she thick. That's a brick house right there. Oh, here's another one. She's stacked, that's a fact. Ooh wee, peppers tonight. We got some peppers tonight. All right, let's see, what else can we find? This is a backyard dinner harvest. I think I'm gonna grab a few of these collard greens because I got a few. I got a few. I got some. I can't let these worms have them all. I might cut them up thinly. This one got a nice shine on her. They're a little dull and ashy. What else is ready? Let's go ahead and take this one. That's a nice pepper. Perfect. I see tomatoes over there. I see tomatoes. Nice. Nice and red. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. I might have to cut that little piece off there. We'll see when we get inside. Gorgeous. I thought this was the San Marzano, but it looks like this is the Roma. At the end of the day, I have tomatoes. Beautiful color. Okay, we've got some eggplant. I'm gonna take that one inside. Got another one here. A little young and tender, but we're gonna leave that one. Beautiful, rich purple color. Still has the shine on it, that's what you want. Once that skin starts to turn dull, it's a little late. Yeah, you wanna see that shine. Shine, baby, shine. Yeah, nice shiny coating there. Oh, I love these red husky cherry tomatoes. They are delicious. Yeah, this is another one of my little garden snacks here. Ow! I see something red down there. I'm gonna wait on that. Ooh, stink bug, get out of there. Squash bug. All right. I think I'm going to grab some of this lemon basil. Absolutely delicious. Grab a few of these. Pinch that flour off because I don't want it going to seed just yet. All right, lemon basil. All right, nice harvest there. Okay, I'm letting these collards cook down for just a little bit. Then I'll add the veggies. The beef and tomatoes will go in last. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.